Hey, so we're at the open house of the Mobile Stage Parade Float Rentals and Trailer Manufacturers Inc. warehouse. We have a 20,000 square foot space here. That means we can pull up to 5, 6 floats in here, decorate when it's hot, outside, raining, cold, snowing, you name it, we do it. Let's take a walk. Here we have the stage we use for Macy's Jingle Ball. These are our 2 most popular float rentals. We have a flatbed 24 foot. This was actually custom made, these railings to look like bike racks. And we also have a 24 foot 2-level float that has railings all around and is very safe for the kids. So we can step right onto it. And you can see we have plenty of room for signage and a big back wall, even a second level for your DJ or band. So I really just want to give everyone a special thanks for coming today. It means so much to me, my family, and our friends. I really hope you enjoy this open house event. And don't forget, whenever you need anything from production, parade float, staging, you name it, we do it. Thanks for coming.
Mobile Stage Network.